External tank is now being pressurized for flight. The gaseous oxygen vent hood at the very top of the tank will be moved away, retracted back to the launch position in the next few seconds.
Clear caution and warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors. That's a one. OTC caution and warning is clear. No unexpected errors. Copy. Endeavor OTC, close and lock your visors, initiate O2 smoke flow, have a smooth ride and a safe landing. All right, thanks OTC, and let's get 96 off to a great start. GLS go for EP LH2 pressurization.
The 6-member crew is about to embark on the first day of the planned 9-day flight. Crew will retrieve the Japanese Space Flyer unit, deploy and retrieve NASA's OST Free Flyer satellite, and conduct 2 6-hour spacewalks. All systems aboard Endeavor are go.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
T-minus 90 seconds. Endeavor will be launched on an easterly trajectory on an orbit inclined 28.45 degrees to the equator. Endeavor's launch marks the 74th shuttle launch in the history of the program. T-minus 1 minute. At the T-minus 31 second point, Endeavor's onboard computers will have control of vehicle functions.
GLS go for auto sequence start.
In the next few seconds,
25.
thousands of gallons of water will be dumped onto the launch platform to help suppress the sound and shock of the 7 million pounds of thrust produced by the shuttle. T-minus 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Endeavor in pursuit of a Japanese satellite.
Testing monitor air time.
Houston now controlling.
217, 218, and roll program, Houston. Roger, roll, Endeavor.
The roll maneuver is complete aboard the orbiter Endeavor. The orbiter is now in a head-down position on course for 28.5 degrees, 250 nautical mile orbit. Three main engines now throttling back up.
Endeavor, Houston, go with throttle up. Roger, go with throttle up.
Endeavor's 3 liquid-fueled engines are now back at full throttle. The orbiter is now downrange from the Kennedy Space Center of 10 nautical miles. The orbiter is traveling 2,600 feet per second, or about 1,700 miles per hour. The altitude is passing through 90,000 feet. The 3 hydraulic systems are in excellent shape, as are the fuel cells. The main engines are still performing at full throttle. Approaching 2 minutes into the flight, standing by for burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. SRB separation is confirmed. Time 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the flight.
Endeavour Houston, performance nominal. Roger, nominal.
Performance thus far in the launch phase has been as expected. Endeavour is now at an altitude of 210,000 feet. Downrange from the launch site 45 nautical miles. Now traveling 5,000 feet per second, or about 3,400 miles per hour.